How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about Google Sheets and Google Tables. So we'll be discussing the key differences between the two, what they're used for, as well as the pros and cons, and ultimately what sets each platform apart from each other. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So starting off with Google Sheets, which I'm sure we're all very familiar with as we've used it for work, there's really not much to say when it comes to describing Google Sheets. It's a straightforward, rough way to document data as well as sales reports or different applications or to organize files, embed links, and also it comes with cool formulas that carry over from if you guys have ever used Microsoft Excel before, then you can basically do math on Google Sheets, and it's a pretty handy feature. So Google Sheets, which I'm sure everyone's aware of, here's where you document files. You guys can use it as a database for keywords and whatnot. You can add dates to it, labels, embed links, like I said. You can add colors to it. It's honestly just a rough way to organize your files and data if you guys are working for a company or are using the tool for a certain workspace. Now, on the other hand, something like Google Tables is an entirely different beast. And the reason for that is because Google Tables is not what it sounds like. I mean, it does have the features where you can add tables within the application itself. However, I can only show you pictures of it as I don't actually have this beta version available in my country. So I'll show you guys what I mean later. So at its core, Google Tables is a project management tool with a lot of integrations to make the structure of the workflow um, operate much more smoothly. So if you guys have used any management tools before, like Monday.com or ClickUp or what do you call it, Team or something, the one that Disney uses, well, whatever. Well, Google Tables is pretty much the same deal. And here's what the interface looks like. So this is the beta version, as you can see. So here you get to add different parameters, like the tasks that were assigned to a certain person, or data, courses, if the task has been completed, ETAs, and so on and so forth. So there are so many applications to use Google Tables for. So this one is a project tracker, and yeah, you guys pretty much get the picture. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. If you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.